launching our interactive workshop series, a gateway to holistic education and independence. Introduction. We at Independent Academy are thrilled to announce a fresh, interactive workshop format designed to foster holistic education and promote independence. Our mission has always been to create a platform that empowers individuals with the knowledge and tools they need to navigate their ventures autonomously. However, crafting impactful and practical content has been a challenging journey. After much deliberation and effort, we've discovered an engaging way to deliver real-time, actionable guidance. Here's an exciting glimpse into our new workshop format, set to roll live from next Friday at 8 p.m. UTC. Section 1. Weekly one-on-one workshops. Every week, we will host a one-on-one workshop with an individual seeking guidance to build and grow their business from the ground up. The session will begin with a thorough understanding of the participants' goals, followed by step-by-step guidance on leveraging the best-suited tools for their needs. This real-time training aims to address the unique challenges faced by each participant, ensuring personalized solutions and immediate value. Section 2. Live streaming across platforms. Our interactive workshops will be live streamed across various platforms, including YouTube, Meta, and LinkedIn, allowing a broader audience to join, learn, and interact. We encourage everyone to tune in, ask questions, and be a part of the live discussion. It's an open invitation to witness firsthand the progress made by our participants each week. Section 3. Real-time learning and progression. Each workshop will be a live experiment, displaying the real challenges, successes, and progress of our participants. We aim to maintain a 100% open and transparent process until our guest feels confident to continue independently. Once they are ready to soar on their own, we open the floor to another aspiring individual seeking guidance, thereby creating a continuous cycle of learning and empowerment. Section 4. Bilingual resources. The first set of workshops will be conducted in Spanish. These sessions will also cater to our English-speaking audience. All educational resources provided during the workshops will be translated into both Spanish and English, ensuring a comprehensive learning experience for everyone. Section 5. Looking ahead. The Independent Academy envisions itself as a conduit for anyone looking to master the necessary tools, strategies, and workflows to architect the life they desire. Our new workshop format is a stepping stone towards this vision, and we are euphoric about the journey ahead. The first session is just around the corner, and we can hardly wait to share this enriching experience with you all. Section 6. From workshops to guided tutorials. Post each workshop, the insightful tutorial sections will be meticulously extracted and converted into easily digestible guides and how-to tutorials. These will be made available on our platform, providing a treasure trove of practical knowledge for anyone looking to leverage the various platforms and tools discussed during the workshops. This way, the learning doesn't stop with the live sessions. It extends to provide a self-paced learning resource accessible anytime, empowering our community to learn, apply, and grow at their own pace. Conclusion. Details about the event will be shared shortly, and we invite everyone to join us in this educational endeavor. Share this post, stay tuned for more updates, and we look forward to seeing you next Friday at 8 p.m. UTC. Together, let's embark on a path of continuous learning, growth, and ultimate independence.